If x raised to by is 3 over 3 raised to 7 and y raised to z is equal to 5 over 11. So what is the ratio of x ratio by? Listen, whenever you see this kind of question, so y ratio is 7 here and y ratio is 5 here. In this case, we just try to make the y ratio that is common in both. We just try to make it equal. That means it is 5 here, so we just multiply and divide it by 5, and it is 7 here, so we just divide and multiply this by 7. So here x ratio y is 15 over 35, and from here y ratio z is 35 over 77. So if they say find out x ratio z, so you can take x ratio that is 15 over z ratio that is 77. So the answer is C.